Have you ever thought about moving to Brooklyn and wondering what it costs in which popular neighborhood? Today, we're going to be talking just a little bit about Williamsburg, DUMBO, and Cobble Hill. Which one is most expensive and what are you going to get for your $3 million there? Let's get started. My name is Erin Wheelock of the Wheelock Team, where we help people globally to relocate to New York City, whether it's Manhattan, Brooklyn, or Queens. We are helping people get their second home, their first home, or something when they're going to be here for a few years to invest in. All right, so Williamsburg has, I think for the longest amount of time, been a very well-known neighborhood in Brooklyn. If you go down to the L in Manhattan and you head over to Brooklyn, it is going to be your first stop and your second. But either way, a lot of people have gone there because it became the cool, hip, fun place to live. And when you're there, you are going to be paying about $1,500, $1,570 to be exact, per square foot for condos over there, which means you're going to get roughly 1,900 square feet for your $3 million. That's going to be great. There's a lot of different things actually in Williamsburg. So Williamsburg is going to mostly, in that price point, you're going to be looking at the new development that's on the water. But also Williamsburg started developing before some other areas on the water. So you are going to be able to get some resale condos over there that are, again, going to be basically on the water. You can take a ferry or walk to the subway for transportation. But over there, you're going to have those $3 million apartments, and they're going to range from 2 bedrooms to 3 bedrooms, depending upon where they are in the building, how high up, what your view is, outdoor space, etc. But that's what you're going to be looking at there. Then if we go to DUMBO, so DUMBO is down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass, DUMBO, and there it's going to be a little bit less expensive. So DUMBO is going through a lot of development right now. So like Front York is a new development over there, another one on Front Street. So DUMBO is definitely going through a development now. I remember my first time going to DUMBO and it was like no man's land. Like no one was there. There were a couple of startups maybe that were over there. I think Biggie had a house there in the first condo that ever went up. He had a condo there, but that was about it. But now it's like everybody wants to be in DUMBO. So surprisingly, DUMBO is going to be a little bit less expensive. So $1,524 per square foot. So you are going to be getting more than 1,900 square feet. You're going to be in that like 1950 range. And again, for $3 million, you can get brand new development for like 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, probably more 2 bedrooms. So it's going to be a lot of glass, outdoor space. You are, again, because you are in DUMBO, down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass, you are going to be by that bridge. So if you're looking for views that don't include the bridge, you might not get it there. A lot of them, you are going to be looking at that, at least in certain parts of the building. It's obviously going to be more expensive if you're not, but they make amazing windows so that you're not hearing too much noise. You might actually just have a really fun view of that bridge. Perhaps if you're a traffic reporter, it'd be great for you so that you can see when the traffic is high and when it's low and report on it from home. I don't know, but it is a great place to live and it's definitely booming now. Then one of the most popular areas, and I would say more exclusive to get into, is Cobble Hill. So Cobble Hill, they're actually having an average price of $1,644 per square foot, which is going to bring you a little smaller. You're around the 1,800 square foot mark. The thing though with Cobble Hill is it doesn't have these big, huge developments that these other areas have. So you're really looking at a lot of single floor or duplexes in brownstones. A lot of Cobble Hill sales are going to be those brownstones that developers bought, and then they turned it into either single floor condo units or duplex condo units. I know for $3 million, you're probably looking at either like the top duplex and then you're going to have the roof on it, or the first floor and downstairs you'll have the backyard. That's probably what you're going to be looking at for $3 million. It's going to be great space, again, around 1,800, a little over 1,800 square feet. Beautiful, new, on a tree-lined street with these 4- and 5-story brownstones all around you. But Cobble Hill is quite beautiful. just a little bit of a different neighborhood, right? The other two places, you're probably going to be in a high rise, but Cobble Hill, probably not. And you're going to find yourself in a beautiful brownstone that was converted. Not quite enough money to be getting a nice old single family, but you could always try. There are always exceptions in every neighborhood. So if you would like to learn more about Brooklyn and the different neighborhoods of Brooklyn, please feel free to reach out. And if you like this, maybe you'll like one of our other episodes where you can see what, I don't know, $3 million in Tribeca can get for you. Stay tuned though, we'll always have more. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. Where would you live? I would love to know. All right, I'm Erin Wheelock of the Wheelock Team, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day.